How to change iPhone speaker volume. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Here you will find a vertical volume slider. Simply drag the slider up to increase the volume or down to decrease it. This primarily controls the media volume for apps, music, and videos. For more detailed controls, open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Sounds and Haptics option and tap on it. In this menu, you can adjust the ringtone and alerts volume using the slider provided. You can also turn on the Change with Buttons toggle. Now, the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone can be used to directly adjust the volume of your ringtones and alerts. Following these steps, you can easily change the iPhone speaker volume. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.